Hi guys, and welcome to the first spring fly fishing report for the state of Texas from texasflycaster.com. As you know, we're basically under quarantine, and I live in Denton County and we've been put on lockdown. That's what I call it. So we're on lockdown, which means we get to stay in and tie a lot of flies, which is what I'm going to be doing. Meanwhile, we're going to run the typical springtime, and for the next few months, weekly, with good luck, scroll from Texas Parks and Wildlife Department. And what that is if you haven't been here before, the scroll scrolls through the TPWD report at the end of this, and it gives a breakdown lake by lake. The rivers, if you see water being released, you got to check your flows, because this is a time when people are holding water up here in North Texas because further downstream they can't take anymore. So it's very critical. But considering the situation with the coronavirus, COVID-19, I've decided to let my DP, my director, my best boy, all those folks, the editor, and all those people go home, and we'll be back in a week, maybe, with luck. So take off, guys. What? We're still on? Cut, man, cut. No, hell no, I'm not gonna drop the mic. I just opened a beer. I'm not gonna drop the mic. Texas.